Okay, so after you get the battery, after you undo the battery, you have Phillips head screws that hold your terminals on, okay? And you have these little teeny pieces that go inside the terminal where the screws onto, okay? So you got to watch out when you pull the battery out not to let those pieces fall out, okay? When you put the battery back in, don't put the battery back in with the pieces in there. If you tilt the battery in any way, they'll slide out, and then you'll have to be fishing around for them. So when you put your battery back in the jet ski, put the battery in first, and then stick these little pieces in there, like so, and then you can strap the battery down with your straps. You take your straps and reach over the back and clip it on there, and then pull it down and clip it into place. Once you get the battery strapped down, then you put your pieces in and you put your terminals on there and screw it all down, and it's that easy. You got your drain hose right here that clips onto the battery. When you pull the battery out, take your terminals off, okay? Take the screws out, put them in a safe place, then just pull the battery out and keep it as straight as you can. It's almost impossible to take those pieces out before you get the battery out. So just make sure when you pull the battery up, you're not tilting it in any which way. Get the battery out, and you'll see your drain tube right here. You just pull it off, and then you can maintain your battery, get it full of acid, charge it, replace the battery. I thought I was going to save a bunch of money by going to Walmart and getting the same battery. First of all, it's not the same identical battery. It's a different size, and it costs more money than going to the actual jet ski dealership and getting the battery. Believe it or not, that's the case. And the jet ski shop can help you in many ways. Right here, after you take the back seat off the jet ski, you can see the battery in there. Okay, that's exactly where it is. Undo your battery terminals first. Take your screws out and put them in a safe place. Okay, you can see those straps holding down the battery. You just reach down and push the strap down and they come up, okay? And then reach around the back and push it down and the strap comes completely out. All right, take it out, put them in the safe place, and then remove your battery. Okay, a side note on those little pieces that go inside your battery terminals. Before you remove the battery, just to guarantee yourself they won't fall out if you tilt the battery. There's a lot of hoses in there to get around. Just get a piece of painter's tape or scotch tape or whatever you have and put it on the outside of the terminal, basically holding that piece in. That way if you tilt the battery, the piece won't come out. And then when you remove the battery, you can just take the tape off. Another tip, when you're putting the pieces back in or you want to take them out and the pieces are inside, and it's, I've used keys and stuff to try to do it, but a credit card or something of that nature is easy to slide in between the piece and the battery to get it out. All right.